Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. So I have a special guest today who's going to join us for our cookie decorating session. This is
Lexi.
Yes, so Lexi is from the Alexa Julian YouTube channel. Anyway, she's going to be joining us. It's been a few years now that Christmas cookie decorating has been a part of our family tradition. So I was thinking, I was inspired by this paper collection that I got from Joann's called Oh Christmas Tree. So we're gonna use this as inspiration for our cookie decorating and the colors as well and the prints. So hopefully you can see that. I'll give you more details later. And also the Merry and Bright. So what I'm going to be doing, the plan is, I hope you can see that. So I was hoping on doing is, I'm going to decorate the cookies based on these colors, which I already have right here. And so all the shades are based on that. And then the packaging will be this. So it perfectly matches. Today, what's the date today?
I think it's the 21st. No.
22nd?
22nd.
So 22nd, we still have time. We have 2 days to decorate and pretty much give it on Christmas Eve or the day before Christmas Eve. So, Alexa, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's get started. Okay, now that we have our 12 by 12 paper, we're gonna take this part off. So that would give us a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. After that, we're going to need a 6 by 12. I'm gonna be showing you the details in a second. So take this part off. And then be mindful that your print has to be going down and you cut it on the 6-inch. So that gives you, this makes one box for the cookie. So after you have a 6 by 12 piece of paper, you're gonna get your scoring tool. And I have my Martha Stewart scoring tool. And what we're gonna do is we're going to score this side. We're going to score this short side, the 6-inch side, on 1 inch, and then at 5 inches. We're going to score it at 1 and 5 inches. And then you're going to turn it around, and this is a long side, this is a 12-inch side, and you're going to score that at 1, at 5.5, 6.5, and then at 11. Okay, so after that, let's set our scoring tool aside. We're going to burnish it, preferably with the scoring tool. So let's burnish that. Burnish it on all sides. So after doing that, we're going to cut it. So after that's burnished, we're going to cut it. Let me show you. So now that we've burnished it, we're going to cut it on here. We're going to cut it there. We're going to cut it on the middle where the 5.5 and the 6.5 is, up to the score mark. And then we're going to do that on the same side, on the last part, right? And we're going to do that exact thing on the opposite side. So turn it around and do the same thing right there. So after that, you're going to notice you have to identify which is the top that you want to show, and this is going to be the bottom. So it depends on what you like. I would like the snowflake showing, so we're going to fold it towards the opposite side. So pretty much we're going to put adhesive on here, the flaps. We're going to put adhesive on these two, and then these two. So guys, this is a stack of embellishments that I was able to make using the paper collection, and this I got from my stash that's already been pre-stamped and colored. That's ready for use. Made some Christmas trees, some green Christmas trees because we have 2 collections, and then these are the tags that I just used for strips. So this is our first box. I just want to show you the first box. So this is the box with our mouse, with our layered paper strips, and these in 50 boxes. So I have a lot of work ahead of me, but I hope you enjoyed that video. So you can easily be inspired with the paper that you have, and it's going to inspire you to make cookies in the coordinating colors. It's just a matter of using your scrap stash. So have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, take care, have a wonderful crafty day, bye.